Hi everybody, this is Solomon, the Android guy, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel as I take you through how to customize your URL link on YouTube and make it shorter and more beautiful to copy and paste and share. So in order for you to customize your YouTube link or shorten the URL, you go to Google Chrome and you type youtube.com. So let's go to youtube.com and let's see. So when you go to youtube.com, okay, when you go to youtube.com, let me go www. All right, everybody, this is Solomon, the Android guy, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to shorten your YouTube URL or customize your URL link and make it more personalized and not the lengthy, scanty alphabet and the capitals and small letters image that YouTube defaultly gives to your channel. So what you have to do is to go to Google Chrome and type youtube.com and just go and have a look at YouTube. So when you come to YouTube, this is on the Chrome version, so it's quite small. So what you got to do is when you are using the desktop version of YouTube, because I'm using the browser and not the YouTube app, so we're using the browser to do this. So when you open YouTube, do not switch to mobile, just keep it in the do not switch to mobile, just keep it in the desktop view over here, so just be on the desktop. So use the browser and then click. What you've got to do is click on your image. As you can see, click on your image, and once you click on your image, you have all these features there. So your channel. So what you have to go do now is to go to settings. This settings over here. So you go to settings and it brings you to this page. You have YouTube settings, you have accounts, notifications, playback, everything you can do on YouTube is here. So first, if you want to customize your URL channel, YouTube requires you to have 100 subscriber link, and so you can check how many subscribers you have and all that stuff. So first, you've got to try and change your name. If you want to update your name and make it more personalized, if you don't want to change it, just leave it. Now it brings you to a Google account page where you can have basic info name. So this is the name that is reflecting on YouTube. So you can click on it and go and make changes to the name. So I'm changing this name to MC Solo Hits, and so I'll make it MC and Solo Hits. So this is the name I want to reflect on my YouTube URL, on my YouTube channel. So I have this, then I can save it. So once you save this, the name becomes MC Solo Hits. Your nickname is Solo Hits, and it's there. So this is where you can change your YouTube name and it automatically updates. So if we go back to YouTube, you will have the name changed over there. So let it load. So the name now is MC Solo Hits. And when you come to the about, this is where you see your URL. This is my current URL which I created from my previous name on YouTube. I want to see if I can change it. So first, if you want to change it, you got to remove it. And then once you remove it, there is no URL. When you come to about again, you don't see the YouTube link again because you have removed the URL. So now what you want to do now is go back to YouTube and get the URL from there fresh and come and customize it here. So this was the previous one. So I'm just going way back to YouTube. Let me just quickly type YouTube again, youtube.com. All right, so I'm going back to youtube.com, and this is the desktop view because I'm using the Chrome browser and not the app. And immediately it opens, I just zoom in to my profile and I click here. When I click on my picture, now my name is MC Solo Hits. So I don't need to do anything here than just go to settings. So when you click on settings, it brings you to this page. Let me minimize it a bit. Okay. So YouTube, allow the network to load, and once it loads, we expand it. We zoom it a bit. You click on your icon on your profile picture. Once you click on it, you go to settings over here. All right, so settings. So I click on settings, and it brings you to this settings page. So when it comes to account, it has changed the name from whatever it was previously. It's now MC Soloid. Now you can come to advanced settings here. When you come to advanced settings, it shows you the default URL. Now it says custom URL. So I'm on the advanced settings here. It says you're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Before we go here, I want to come to back to my account, and then I'll go to channel status and features. So let me go to channel status. So I'm on channel status and features. So let's go to channel status and features. I want to show you something real quick. Now, when you go to channel status and features, it allows you to see everything you need to know about your YouTube channel and the features that have been activated for you. I'm not going to studio. I don't need the studio dashboard for now. All right. So, okay. So, okay. All right. So let me go back to channel features again and see what it says. All right. So now YouTube is redirecting it to studio anyway. So when it comes to the channel features, it shows you the basic feature eligibility, and it says default upload videos require, and let me see advanced settings. I want to review, okay, basic info. All right, upload defaults. Okay, permissions. Let's check permissions and see. Okay, no, this is not. All right, so you have current subscribers is 112, and all right, so once you can see your subscribers and everything, let's go back quick. I don't know why it's redirecting to this place. All right, so I wanted to just show you some feature on channel status. It should open to why does it redirect to I don't need studio. All right, so let me just ignore that for now, and take you to view advanced settings. So let's go back to view advanced settings, and now just let's go quickly. You're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. So when you claim it here, click on this and it tells you, all right, so these are the previous YouTube URLs that I've used. We have this and all that. So once you change your name, it can quickly create a custom URL. So this becomes your shortened URL. And if you want to use this, you can just approve of it and then go. But if you don't like the name, then you just have to go. This custom URL picks a combination of your username. So these are the usernames I've used over the period, and this is the current one is chosen. If you don't like this custom URL, you have to go back and change your name to the name you want your custom URL to look like. Once you do that, it will appear here. So let me just go back, cancel, and go back to my account and quickly make a step over to edit on Google, and let me see if I can rechange my name again. Edit name, and I'll make this quickly. I'm changing this to I am. Alright, so I'm making it I am solo hits. Let me see if I can save it and see. Okay, so it says I am solo hits. It's saved. So now let me go back to YouTube and let's see something. And so let me quickly have a look at my name here. So it says I am solo hits. This is what is showing on YouTube. So when I come to settings and I have I am solo hits here. So if I come to view advanced settings and it says you are eligible for a custom URL, you need 100 subscribers to activate custom URL features. Let me see notifications. What's at notifications? Okay, nothing really much. Okay, let me go back to advanced settings, and so you click you're eligible, and let's go. Let's see the. All right, so right now I am solo hits showing up here. If I like this, so if I choose this is what happens in YouTube. I am solo hits. If I don't like it, I can change it. So this is how you can easily and quickly set up your URL name and customize it to whatever name you want. So if I really don't like it like this and stuff, what you got to do is you can go back and change your name, follow the procedure to advanced settings, and you can always figure out. So let me edit on Google again. I hope I am not stopped this time around. You can't do because you can't change your name too many times within a short period. Let me see if I can still do it, or YouTube will tell me I have changed too many times. So okay, so what I'm going to do now is make this small letters and small letters. All right, so let me see, save. I don't know if it will work. So it's working. So if I go back to YouTube, let's see if it still works, and if I can get my custom name in the way and manner as I want. So I zoom in here, go to my picture, come to settings. Oops. Now it has changed to small letters. So view advanced settings, and quickly alright, so we are here at advanced settings, and so I quickly claim what I want here. Alright, okay, alright, so that's it. It's reflecting here. I am solo hits. This is what I want. So when you click on this, this is what happens, and you can create another extension, but I don't want this, so I click it and I just need this. So my YouTube URL now is just here. Just look at it, so simple. I am solo hit, so I like it, and I change my URL. So in order to get call, you must agree. So I agree, and this is my YouTube URL. So simple, so nice, so cute. So I confirm that I want my YouTube URL to be simple like this, for easy copy and paste everywhere, and it's working. So with this, I have my YouTube URL working. So it says I am solo hits. Alright, so now once I got this working, this is my channel now. So you can go to about and make other necessary changes you need and everything. I'll show you how to add TikTok to your YouTube channel later in another video. As you can see, I've got TikTok here, so I'll show you that in the next video, and more ways of managing your channel and stuff. So thank you for watching, and this is Solomon the Android guy, bringing you a wonderful customization of YouTube URL link. All right, so let me quickly sign out here. If I want to change my name again, I can go back to settings and edit on Google. So when I go to edit on Google, I can change it here, and I can change this to maybe what I really want it to be now. Well, once I do it now, I already have the custom URL the way I want, so I can just leave the name as it is. I just hope YouTube doesn't tell me I've changed the name too many times, so I can't change it. I just hope it works. If it doesn't work, I have to wait. Okay, so it has worked. MC Solo Hits, and it's successful, and that is it. So with this, I can. Alright, so this was the last one. It has quickly updated. MC Solo Hits, and this is Solomon the Android guy. So that's how to change. So I now have my brand name here, and if I go to YouTube and I type www.youtube.com/C and another /, then I just type I am solo hits, which is what I just created, and I press go. Let's see what happens. Let's see where it redirects me to. Alright, so it brings me safely to my channel, so I can copy this short URL and put it everywhere I want to get customers to watch my channel. So this is Solomon the Android guy, showing you how to customize your YouTube URL link and make it simple and shorter. Thank you, and watch my next video on how to put TikTok on your YouTube channel. and connect people straight from your YouTube channel to your TikTok page. Thank you. Watch more videos on Android, and this is Solomon the Android Guy. Bye bye.